Good morning, students. Today in this class, I would like to tell all the students that today the chapters line by line, the extract meaning and the textual lining will be defined or explained by me. I, your teacher Vivek, is going to explain on the chapter The Lost Child. In previous class, I have given all of you the explanation and the summary of the chapter entitled The Lost Child. So, students, let us start the context. It was the festival of spring. All of us know that the festival, we celebrate something with joyful and happiness. So the spring season, when comes in a village or a remote area, there is a tradition of fair. And the people celebrate this time with joyful moments. And that is called in the season of spring, in autumn season, the people were celebrating the festival. So it is called Festival of Spring. From the wintry shades of narrow lanes, the time was also that the advent of the winter season, and narrow lanes and alleys emerged, and that narrow lanes, very congested path on which the people were coming. The people were dressed in gaily clad humanity. Gaily clad humanity. It means that on this path, the people were coming with their decorated, with their covered dresses, and hello, good morning, students. Today we shall read the chapters, lines, and the extract meanings. All of us know that the lines were given in the text will be explained today by me, I myself, Vivek Kumar from CPS. So let's start the explanation of the given lines. Come to the point. A child goes to a fair with his parents. A child goes to the fair with his parents. He is happy and excited and wants the sweets and toys displayed there. In this chapter, a child goes with his parents, and he is very excited and he is very happy because he wants to pick the sweets and toy from the fair. But his parents don't buy them. This shows that the child's father or the child mother, you may say that the parents, we are not able to buy, or they are not favoring to buy the things that the child wanted. It shows that the parents have not feelings for buying the things. So the lines here, first stanza, it was the festival of spring, the timing of the season like the spring, autumn season. All of us that the new, when a new season starts, we celebrate something new. Likewise, the festival of spring from the wintry shades of narrow lanes and also the entering the advent of the time like the winter season. And the lanes and narrow, the paths were congested and Elias emerged a gaily clad humanity, and that path the people were dressed in their brightful colors, designs, dressed. So, some walked among the people, some were walking, some rode on the horses, others sat, some people were sat, being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. It means that there are some people who were being carried on the bamboo or bullock carts. That cart in a rural area, two oxen carries the passengers in a made of bamboo. One little boy ran between his father's legs. The line shows that there is a boy who is running between his father's legs, and the boy was between his father's legs, brimming over with life and laughter, and the child was full of hopes and laughter. बच्चा बहुत ही आशावान और प्रसन्न चित्त था. Come child, called his parents. The child's parents come child, as he lagged behind. जब बच्चा पीछे छूट जाता अपने माता पिता से, तो उसके माता पिता बच्चे से यह कहते कि बच्चे आगे आओ. Fascinated by the toys in the shops that lined the way. The child was fascinated by the toys in the shops that lined the way, the shops which were set up on the way, and in the shop the toys were kept, and the child was attracted by the toys. So the boy was fascinated by the toys being kept in the shop. The child's attention was towards the toys. You may say that. He hurried towards his parents. The boy began to walk with his very rapidly towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call, as the child's feet were obeying the orders of his parents. His eyes still linger on the receding toys. Still, the boy's eyes were concentrating towards the toys, where the toys were kept in the shops, and his attention was towards the shops in which the toys were kept. And as he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, parents were waiting for the child, and when the child came, he could not suppress the desire of his heart. The boy could not suppress, बच्चा अपने हृदय की इच्छा को दबा नहीं सका. क्या बोला? The desire of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes, Even the child knew that my request, my desire will not be accepted by my parents because they had called Esther because they had no any message that concern towards my desire, and the total we see that there was no interest in the boy's desire. So the boy knows fully that my request will not be fulfilled by the parents. I want that toy, he pleaded. The boy pleaded, the boy requested that he wanted the toy, but the parents did not heed it. His father looked at him red-eyed. When the child requests to buy toys, the parents or the father looked at him with red eyes. In a temperament, in a anger tone, his father looked at him. उसके पिताजी बच्चे की तरफ आँख को लाल करते हुए देखते हैं बच्चे के ऊपर. ऐसा लगता है कि उनकी इन हिज फैमिलियर पेरेंट्स में एक निरंकुश, एक तानाशाही शासक की तरह, जिस तरह से मन में या आंखों में गुस्सा झलक या दिखाई पड़ती है. टिरेनिकल से बनता है टिरेंट, और हम कह सकते हैं टिरेंट्स मोड से एक डिक्टेटर जैसा होता है. जस्ट लाइक द फीलिंग्स ही हैज kept in his mind. His mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender, though his mother had soft corner. His mother had kindness towards his boy, towards his son. So, giving him her finger to hold, his mother giving her finger to hold, oh child, grasp it or hand it. उसकी माँ जो है अपनी उंगली को उसकी तरफ बढ़ाते हुए कहती है कि इसे तुम पकड़ कर चलो. होल्ड, पकड़े रहो. लुक चाइल्ड, व्हाट इज बिफोर यू, देखो सामने क्या है. It was a flowering mustard field. Before the child, there was a mustard field. There was a mustard field, and a like melting gold, and the gold, the color of the mustard was appearing like the color of the gold. Here, yellow, you may see, and gold. What is before you? The mustard like melting gold, as it swept across miles and miles, even the land. The field was swept. The distance of the field was miles and miles like. Okay? Remote areas. A group of dragonflies were bustling. You may say that insect. A group of dragonflies were bustling. They were sounding. They were making a sound on their gaudy purple wings. The insects' wings, the color of the purple, intercepting the flight of a lone black bee or butterfly. Bee or butterfly kinds of insects. They were budding the sound in search of sweetness from the flowers. They were in search of to take the sweetness from the flowers. When the child shows that in the mustard seed, the butterflies, bees were in search of to take the sweetness from the flowers. The child followed them. बच्चा उसके पीछे पीछे चलता है. Followed them In the air with his gaze, the child's concentration was towards the insects, till one of them would still its wings and rest, and he would try to catch it. The boy tries to catch the butterflies or bees, and but it go fluttering, but the child failed to catch. When the insects flutters, फड़फड़ाते हुए अपने पंख को वे निकल पड़ते, फ्लैपिंग अप इनटू द एयर, हवा में अपने पंख को फैलाते हुए वे चल पड़ते। एंड when he had almost caught in his hands, लगता था कि बच्चा जो है वो may have able to catch at the moment, but he could not succeed. Then his mother gave a cautionary call, "Come child, come on the footpath." उसके बाद उसकी माँ आवाज़ देती कि ऐ बच्चे आओ रास्ते पर चलो, ठीक है। In the next stanza, he ran towards his parents gaily. The child began to run towards his parents gaily. बच्चा अपने माता पिता की तरफ दौड़ कर चलने लगा प्रसन्नता से, एंड वॉक्ड एवरेस्ट ऑफ देम। कभी कभी बच्चा उन लोगों से आगे ही हो जाता है, कुछ क्षण के लिए, फॉर अ वाइल, बीइंग हाउएवर सून लेफ्ट बिहाइंड। कभी कभी तो बच्चा उनसे पीछे भी छूट जाता। अट्रैक्टेड बाय द लिटिल इंसेक्ट्स एंड वर्म्स along the footpath that were teeming out from their hiding place to enjoy the sunshine. बच्चा जब इंसेक्ट को देखता है कि वे अपने जगहों से, प्लेसेस से निकलकर सूर्य की रोशनी की लाइट का एंजॉय लेने के लिए वे बाहर की तरफ आ रहे हैं, तो द चाइल्ड was attracted towards the insects.